Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fill up the little cucumber beds with some store-bought, bulk-bought organic compost. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Okay, I've talked about it before when I've showed the little compost depot, I call it, and I buy compost, bulk form compost. I get a pickup truck load full, I'll show you, from a local place, local in Pittsburgh, Ag Garden, I think it's called, Ag something. I will leave a link for them below, so if you were in the greater Pittsburgh area, it's a great place to get their topsoils, mulches, and this organic compost. And they do have a compost, I don't think this is the one I bought, that is certified organic. But I'll spin you around and I'll show you what this stuff's all about. Oh man, it's really nice. Brought it out really good. It's still just let me zoom you out here just a bit. It's a wee bit warm, but it's really good stuff, and I've been using it. It's not from a big box store, it's not from a big company. I don't have any worries about chemicals or anything in it. But I mean, I like it. It's about $54 for a scoop, which I think is a yard, which fits into my truck. And these are the beds that I built out of the old wood from the beds where I replaced with the Vigo beds. And I always grow stuff along here, but I thought it'd be nice to just have permanent beds here. And this is how I buy it. Just go down, get a scoop. It's pretty nice, comes in good, and wheelbarrowed over. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna get filling these beds. I'll bring it back quick like, and I'll show you what these look like when they're done. Okay, the little beds are filled up with that awesome compost. Oh, I was gonna look up the name of that place and I totally forgot, but I'll stick it up right about here. And you guys can see the name and go in the description, click on the link. They got all kind of products too, really good place. Ooh man, I'm already hot. It's about 10 in the morning. I'm already dirty, which, man, I look at my videos, I really look like a bum sometimes. I'm always dirty, but oh, that's just me. So let me spin you around, show you what these guys look like. Oh yeah. Looking good. Looking good. I said this was kind of an afterthought. I had this wood laying around. I thought, well, it's all not too bad. I didn't want to burn it. So we got the trellis system up. Oh, excuse me. Oh my. And we'll get some cucumbers in there, which I was going to plant them out today, but then I looked, it's supposed to be 91 today in North Versailles. So that's not going to happen. That's too hot. But this is just a quick video I'm trying to make. We'll have so much footage that I have to edit and put out because the RV took over my life for a while. But that video is coming out. Let me see that one. But hey, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments if you like the longer videos, the shorter videos. I'm thinking the shorter videos. That way you can watch something, get a little bit of Noah in the morning or afternoon, and go about your day. But this little bed's filled. I have a lot more compost left. I'm gonna go spread around. That's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.